Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is the Allure beauty box for the month of April. So for those of you that don't know about this box, it is $15 a month. It is a monthly subscription and you get deluxe size samples and occasionally a full size product in here, which is when the box is totally worth it because the full size item usually makes up the total value of the box and then some. So like always, we have our pamphlet here with the product information inside. They let you know on there what is a full size and what is not. So that way you get an idea of, what your box is worth. So let's just go ahead and go in and I'm going to start taking this one out. It is from Dr. Jart. It is the Cicapair Dermal Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. I have actually tried this little cream before. I've received a little tiny sample like this in one of my other boxes. I don't remember which one, but it is actually pretty cool. So let me show you guys. So in here, the cream itself is like a greenish kind of tone. Like it's a really thick cream. So this one, once you cleanse your skin, you put on your serums and whatever, you put this one on top and you rub it in and it actually does cancel out some of the some of the redness in your skin. It cancels them out with the green tone that the actual cream has. So it's actually pretty cool. I have used it the times that I don't want to put on any makeup and I have a lot of redness on my skin. So I really like this one. It actually has SPF 30. So even if you just throw this on your skin when you're not wearing any makeup, it's going to help your skin with the SPF, because I keep hearing, especially nowadays, that you're supposed to wear some type of like sunscreen, SPF, whatever you want to call it, even when you're indoors. So they recommend for you to use it at all times. So I'm gonna go back in here, and this one is from Akar Skin. Oh, we have a toner. Okay, so last time we received something from this brand, it was on this box, but it was a lip treatment kind of thing, and I really like that one. I've actually been using it. That's the one that I keep here at home, and I really like it. It really does hydrate my lips. My lips get really dry, and that one actually keeps my lips nice and hydrated when I'm here at home. So what we have here, it's a little bottle of toner, and this one, let me see, it just says balance. Okay, so this one, it says it has rose and orange blossom to provide hydration. Balance enables greater absorption of nutrients by lowering skin surface tension. Cool. Okay. It says formulated to strengthen the acid mantle layer by restoring pH to optimum level and keeping environmental pathogens out. So this sounds like it's really good for the skin. So I'm actually excited to try this. Toners, I don't get too many in my boxes, so I actually only have one. So I'm excited to try this one out. I will definitely get to it. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is Allure, I think that's how you pronounce it, by Jean Seal, Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. So, it's free. When I first saw this, I actually thought it was an oil for your hair, and I thought this was a spray, but no, this is actually a serum. It says apply a thin layer after cleansing, use morning and night, discontinue use of rash, blah 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 blah. It just says hydrating and calming serum. So that is our third item. It's a nice little pump. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out in our little paper if this is a full size or not, because this one here is 1 fluid ounce. And it looks like to be a pretty good size. I don't know. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It's from Ewa White. This says detangling, frizz, fighting, and heat protecting. So we have something for the hair. It says Main Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 Primer. Oh, 10-in-1. Does it list the 10-in-1? Okay, it actually does. So this is supposed to detangle, reduce frizz, strengthen, soften, cut drying time, add shine, nourish, smooth, protect against thermal and UV damage. That is a lot for a tiny little bottle. Obviously, I'm sure they have bigger sizes, but 10 in 1, that is actually pretty awesome. So I will definitely be using that, especially with the heat protecting part of it. I'm always, using those type of products. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. It is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is Lip Butter Lip Liner in the shade Valencia Pomegranate. So that is the box. I think, not pomegranate. I think Thrive is part of the clean beauty, community. So these are supposed to be, good for everybody. And this one is the Lip Filler Lip Liner. Oh, that's a pretty color. So we have a little twisty pencil like this. And let's see the shade. Oh, that's a really nice, like, berry color. So I'm really liking this one here. I'm definitely going to be using this one. Then I'm going to go in and grab this one from Victor. Yes, Victor and Rolf. This is the Flower Bomb. It's going to be a little tiny perfume. It's going to be so cute if it is. Oh, we do have a little tiny one. It looks like a little mini bomb. So that is it there. And this is, what is this? Let me see. Oh, okay. So it has, this is like, I think I was supposed to twist it off. So this is like a little twist off top, or maybe not. I don't know. But this is the little top, and then you just like tilt it on your finger, and then you like put it wherever you want to put it. But we have a little mini perfume. This is super cute. Perfumes are always, I think, good in the boxes because they're pretty expensive. So we are down to the very last item, and this is from Pure Lee's. It is the Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. And this one is moisturizing and soothing. It is good for all skin types, normal, oily, all of those. So this is just a regular sheet mask. So with this one here, we are done with all the items from the box. Really quick, let me just tell you guys, see if we got any full-size items, and if we did, what the MSRP for those are. So the Thrive Cosmetics lip liner here, this one is a full size, and this one MSRP is $20. Then we have the Lue by Jean Seal. This one here is also a full size. This 1 ounce bottle, MSRP is $15. So just with those two items, we are already at $35 for our box. And then just this one here, a full size purchase of this would be a pack of 6 masks. And so 6 masks will cost you $18. Since we have 1, so that comes out to so $3 per mask. So this mask alone is $3. So with the full-size items that we have a total box value of $38, which is not bad for $15 that we paid. So with those prices there, let me know what you guys think about the box down below. I think this is one of the better ones that we have received from Allure in a while now. But let me know what you guys think down below. Those were all the products from the box, so that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.